this is Cheryl Traxler with the Power Lead System, and I want to show you how you can make a full-time income with our system. Now, I made $520 in one day with this done-for-you funnel. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, let's look at what this does. $400 for a diamond member, fast start bonus for $100, and a gold member, I get $20. So I am a proud granny of 7 kids, and this is the very reason why I do this. I have 2 granddaughters and 5 grandsons, and I love family time. I love the freedom, and I love being able to spend time with them anywhere and still run a business. So let's get into the Power Lead System and what we offer for somebody on my team. And look at that. You can copy 6-figure income earner funnel. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, you can get all in with the Power Lead System at the gold level, the diamond level, the platinum level. And let's look at that. The gold level is $20 residual, costs $53. The diamond level is $100 one-time commission. It's a one-time cost of $147. Platinum is a one-time cost of $497, where you get $400 in commissions. Now, do you think $400, $100, and $20 commissions coming in is going to be a good income for you? You betcha. You can earn a full-time income with this system. Now, I'm going to show you about the done-for-you funnels. I'll move my video over here. Now, these funnels, the secret of our funnels is we have these share codes right here. And what happens is you put your share codes in and it duplicates this 6-figure funnel into yours. That's simple and that is powerful. Look at that income. I got an email. You have received a payment from Pay Solution. Dear Cheryl, $419.01. Oh, here's another one. I have received a payment, and dear Cheryl, $600. Now, this pay is weekly, meaning every week they pay you. Move this in a better spot. Every week they pay you right on time, and that is pretty awesome. Goes right into your card, and transfers take maybe 1 or 2 days. It's real easy to set up. So it's very easy, simple pay system for you to get into, to get your money when you make money in Power Lead System. Now, I'm doing this to encourage you that these simple steps repeated every day does equal success with our Power Lead System when you can copy 6-figure income earners funnels. And what that means is it captures your email address. Anytime you put in your email address into something online and it captures your email address, that's part of a funnel system. The inside page is our sales page, which is put together by 6-figure earners and does very well in sales. You don't have to touch it, and people join. It's incredible. And then you get a series of information that follows up so they can learn more about what you offer. So that is what a funnel is, and we have funnels galore in the back office of your Power Lead System. With just a share code, you can be able to get the exact same funnel. And we also offer a plan, a S3 method that you can earn money without recruiting. So you can actually take that method and fund all your other programs so you can have multiple income streams, which is really powerful. You don't want to depend on just one, but you want to have more than one. And the Power Lead System is one of those we use. So if you would like to be part of a system that teaches you that, or if you just need that funnel system for your business, whatever you need, you can actually get it right here. So you can click on that to get started and get your funnel system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe below to my channel. Appreciate you. Thank you.